What is happening, everyone? We got another hard reset. Today we're doing this BLU C5L MAX. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password or a pin that you forgot what it is and you want to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So keep that in mind. And we do have a teardown on this one coming up too. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. You have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming. Pretty much going to try to catalog all the phones if we can. But other than that, let's get right into it. So you want to make sure the phone's off. In this case, I already have it off. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. What you want to do is hold volume up, which is up here, and the power button at the same time. So I'll hold volume up first, and then I'll hold the power button. And then once the phone turns on, you can let go of power by keep holding volume up. So we will keep holding and holding and holding. All right, so we're in the recovery mode, and then we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Your volume button scroll and your power button is to select, so we'll select, we'll confirm it. It's deleting, it's done. And then we can either reboot system or power it off. In this case, I'm just gonna power it off. But now when you turn the phone on, it'll take you to the welcome screen and you can navigate it to the home screen and set it back up how you wish. But that is how we do a hard reset on a BLU C5L MAX. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to let us know. Otherwise, like, share, and all that good stuff. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.